Hello everyone, welcome to Zimi Studio. In this tutorial, we will make this. So, let's get started. Open Filmora video editor. Import a video clip. Drag and drop in the timeline and click Match to Media. Extend the video clip. Find the frame that you like. And cut. Take a screenshot of this frame. And leave some space in between. Place the snapshot there. To change the duration of the snapshot, right-click and change it 5 to 3. Now connect the second part to the snapshot. Now double-click on the snapshot. Go to Color and select Black and White Film. Now to zoom in. Right-click on the snapshot and go to Crop and Zoom. Now go to Panel Zoom. Click on the inner part of the photo. Let's resize it. And we will keep this part of the photo. Now press OK. Now we will cut 7 frames at the start. And at the end of our photo. So with your arrows move 7 times. Do the same at the end of our photo. Now right-click on the middle part. And go to Crop and Zoom. Click this button down here. And go to Crop. After that press OK. Now right-click on the last part. And go to Crop and Zoom. Click this button down here. After that press OK. Now it's time to add a text. Go to Titles and choose one. Let's resize it, so it matches the middle part. Now double-click on the text. And go to Advance. Here you can add some text. Resize the text. Change the font you like. Now place it on the left side. Now go down and add a text border to it. Let's change it to black. Now go to Animations. There are a lot of options. Choose one. Now press OK. And we are all done. If you would like to learn more about video editing, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated when we upload a new video on this channel. Do check out our other tutorials on this channel. And comment below to let us know what you want to learn. Next, till then, stay creative with Filmora.